In a world filled with constant distractions, endless responsibilities, and unpredictable challenges, maintaining inner peace can feel like an impossible task. Every day, we are bombarded with news, social media updates, work pressures, and personal anxieties that threaten our sense of stability. The result? Stress, frustration, and a feeling of being overwhelmed by life's uncertainties. But what if there was a way to navigate this chaos with calmness, clarity, and resilience? That's where Stoicism comes in, a timeless philosophy that has helped countless individuals find peace amidst adversity. Welcome to the Zen Mind podcast, where we explore practical wisdom to help you cultivate inner strength and live a more balanced life. I'm your host, Muhammad Asif, and today, we're diving into an ancient yet profoundly relevant philosophy, Stoicism. This isn't just another self-help trend, it's a powerful framework that has stood the test of time, guiding thinkers, leaders, and everyday people through life's greatest trials. Whether you're dealing with stress at work, anxiety about the future, or simply seeking a more grounded way of living, the lessons of Stoicism can transform the way you perceive and respond to the world around you. In this podcast, we'll uncover 10 essential Stoic principles that will help you stay calm in any situation. These aren't abstract theories or distant ideals, they are actionable insights that you can apply immediately to improve your mental resilience, emotional well-being, and overall outlook on life. From understanding what is truly within your control to mastering your perceptions and emotions, each lesson will offer you a new perspective on navigating life's ups and downs with grace and confidence. But before we jump into these transformative ideas, let's take a moment to understand where Stoicism comes from and why it remains so relevant today. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of inner peace and learn how to face life's challenges with unwavering calm, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful toolkit to help you thrive in even the most stressful situations. Let's begin our journey into the wisdom of the Stoics. The origins of Stoicism, ancient wisdom for modern life. Stoicism traces its roots back to ancient Greece in the early 3rd century BCE, founded by Zeno of Citium, a merchant who turned to philosophy after a shipwreck left him stranded in Athens. Inspired by the teachings of Socrates and the Cynics, Zeno began lecturing at the Stoa Poikile, a painted porch in the Athenian marketplace, which gave the philosophy its name. Unlike many schools of thought that focused on abstract speculation, Stoicism was deeply practical, emphasizing self-control, rationality, and the pursuit of virtue as the path to a fulfilling life. Over time, Stoicism evolved and gained prominence, influencing Roman thinkers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, each of whom contributed profound insights that continue to resonate today. Seneca, a statesman and advisor to Emperor Nero, wrote extensively on themes of resilience, self-discipline, and the impermanence of life. His letters, particularly letters from a Stoic, offer timeless guidance on maintaining composure in the face of adversity. He emphasized that external circumstances do not define our happiness, only our judgments and responses do. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-philosopher, expanded on this idea by teaching that we must distinguish between what is within our control and what is not. His famous dictum, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters," encapsulates the essence of Stoic thought. Meanwhile, Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and philosopher, embodied the Stoic ideal in his personal writings, later compiled as meditations. His reflections on duty, humility, and the transient nature of life serve as a testament to the power of Stoicism in maintaining inner peace amid the burdens of leadership. What makes Stoicism so enduring is its ability to address the fundamental struggles of human existence: uncertainty, suffering, and the search for meaning. In today's fast-paced, high-pressure world, these ancient teachings are more relevant than ever. We live in an era of constant change, where unexpected crises, career instability, and emotional turbulence are commonplace. The Stoics understood that external events are beyond our control, but our thoughts and actions are not. By focusing on cultivating resilience, emotional discipline, and a clear understanding of what truly matters, we can navigate modern challenges with greater clarity and calm. Whether you're facing professional setbacks, personal disappointments, or the daily stress of an unpredictable world, Stoicism offers a framework for maintaining composure. It teaches us to accept what we cannot change, to find peace in the present moment, and to build unshakable inner strength. As we explore the 10 essential lessons from Stoicism in this video, you'll discover how these principles can be applied to everyday life, helping you remain centered and grounded no matter what challenges come your way. Why Stoicism works in a chaotic world. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, stress and uncertainty have become almost inevitable. We are constantly bombarded with information, expectations, and external pressures that can easily overwhelm us. Whether it's the relentless demands of work, the anxiety of financial instability, or the emotional toll of personal relationships, modern life presents a unique set of challenges that can leave us feeling drained and unsettled. The irony is that while we live in an age of unprecedented access to knowledge and resources, we often struggle more than ever to find inner peace. That's where Stoicism steps in, not as a mere intellectual exercise, but as a practical and deeply effective way to navigate life's turbulence with clarity and composure. At its core, Stoicism teaches that external events do not dictate our happiness or suffering, our perceptions and judgments do. This simple yet profound insight is especially relevant in today's world, where we are constantly exposed to situations beyond our control. A missed promotion, an unexpected crisis, or even the endless stream of negative news can easily trigger anxiety and frustration. However, the Stoic approach encourages us to shift our focus from external circumstances to our own mindset. As Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By recognizing that we cannot control everything, we free ourselves from the exhausting struggle to change the uncontrollable and instead direct our energy toward what we can influence: our thoughts, attitudes, and actions. One of the most powerful aspects of Stoicism is its emphasis on emotional resilience. In a world where instant gratification and external validation often drive our decisions, the Stoic philosophy reminds us that true strength comes from within. Rather than being at the mercy of fleeting emotions, Stoicism teaches us to observe our feelings without being ruled by them. This doesn't mean suppressing emotions or pretending to be unaffected by life's difficulties. Instead, it means developing the ability to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. When we encounter setbacks, frustrations, or unexpected changes, we can choose to view them as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. This shift in perspective allows us to maintain a sense of control and purpose, even in the most challenging moments. Moreover, Stoicism offers a framework for dealing with the uncertainty that defines modern life. The future is inherently unpredictable, and trying to control every outcome often leads to disappointment and stress. The Stoic practice of focusing on the present moment and accepting life's impermanence helps us cultivate a mindset of adaptability. By embracing the idea that change is a natural part of existence, we become more resilient in the face of uncertainty. This is particularly valuable in times of crisis, where panic and fear can cloud our judgment. Instead of being paralyzed by what-ifs, the Stoic approach encourages us to take action where we can and remain grounded in what we know. Another crucial benefit of Stoicism is its ability to foster a sense of inner peace and contentment. In a culture that often equates success with material wealth, social status, or external achievements, it's easy to fall into the trap of constantly seeking more. However, the Stoics remind us that true fulfillment comes from within, from cultivating virtue, wisdom, and a deep appreciation for the present. By shifting our focus away from external validation and toward personal growth, we can find satisfaction in our own progress rather than in fleeting external rewards. This mindset not only reduces stress but also allows us to appreciate life's simple pleasures without being consumed by the pursuit of more. As we explore the 10 essential Stoic lessons in this video, you'll discover how these principles can be applied to everyday life. Whether you're facing a difficult decision, coping with loss, or simply seeking a more balanced way of living, Stoicism offers timeless wisdom that can help you stay calm, centered, and resilient in the face of any challenge. Teasing the 10 Stoic lessons, your path to inner calm. Now that we've explored the origins and relevance of Stoicism, let's dive into the heart of this video: 10 powerful Stoic lessons designed to help you maintain calm and composure in any situation. Each of these lessons is rooted in the wisdom of the great Stoic philosophers, offering practical strategies to transform your mindset, manage your emotions, and navigate life's challenges with grace. Whether you're facing personal setbacks, professional pressures, or simply seeking a more balanced approach to daily life, these principles will equip you with the tools to cultivate inner peace and resilience. The first lesson we'll explore is the fundamental Stoic idea that you only control your own thoughts and actions. While external events may be unpredictable and often beyond our influence, our responses to them are entirely within our control. This realization alone can be incredibly liberating, as it shifts our focus from trying to change the world around us to mastering our own mindset. By embracing this principle, you'll learn how to remain grounded even when everything else seems chaotic. Next, we'll discuss the importance of separating perception from reality. The Stoics understood that our judgments and interpretations of events often shape our emotional state more than the events themselves. By refining your perception, learning to see things as they truly are rather than how you fear or hope they might be, you can significantly reduce unnecessary suffering and anxiety. This lesson will show you how to observe situations with clarity and avoid letting distorted thinking cloud your judgment. Another key Stoic principle is the practice of negative visualization, or contemplating worst-case scenarios to build mental resilience. While this might seem counterintuitive, the Stoics believe that by mentally preparing for adversity, we can reduce fear and develop a deeper appreciation for what we have. This lesson will guide you through techniques to strengthen your mindset, ensuring that you're never caught off guard by life's inevitable challenges. We'll also explore how acceptance of impermanence can lead to greater peace of mind. Everything in life is transient: success, failure, relationships, even our own existence. By embracing this truth, we can let go of the illusion of control and find contentment in the present moment. This lesson will help you cultivate a mindset that thrives in uncertainty, allowing you to move forward with confidence regardless of external circumstances. One of the most practical Stoic exercises is the daily reflection on your actions and thoughts. By taking time each evening to evaluate your behavior, you can identify areas for growth, reinforce positive habits, and align your actions with your values. This practice, inspired by Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, is a powerful tool for self-improvement and emotional regulation. We'll also delve into the concept of amor fati, or the love of fate, an idea championed by Marcus Aurelius himself. This lesson encourages you to embrace everything that happens in your life, whether good or bad, as necessary for your growth. By shifting your perspective from resistance to acceptance, you'll find a deeper sense of peace and purpose, even in the face of hardship. Another crucial Stoic insight is the importance of focusing on the present moment. Many of our anxieties stem from worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. The Stoics taught that the only time we truly have control over is the present, and by directing your attention to the here and now, you can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity that transcends external circumstances. We'll also discuss how embracing discomfort can build resilience. The Stoics believe that exposing yourself to small hardships, whether through physical endurance, emotional challenges, or voluntary discomfort, can strengthen your character and prepare you for greater trials. This lesson will show you how to use adversity as a tool for personal growth rather than something to be feared. Additionally, we'll explore the Stoic approach to dealing with anger and frustration. Emotions like anger can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions, but the Stoics provided a framework for managing these impulses through reason and self-awareness. By understanding the root causes of your anger and practicing measured responses, you can maintain control over your emotions rather than letting them control you. Finally, we'll conclude with the Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature and reason. This means aligning your life with rational thought, virtue, and the natural order of the world. By making decisions based on wisdom rather than impulse, you can lead a more fulfilling and balanced life, free from the distractions and excesses that often lead to dissatisfaction. These 10 lessons form a comprehensive guide to applying Stoic wisdom in your everyday life. Each one offers a unique perspective on how to maintain calm, cultivate resilience, and find peace in even the most challenging circumstances. As we walk through each lesson in detail, you'll gain practical insights that you can immediately put into practice, transforming the way you think, feel, and respond to life's inevitable ups and downs. Supporting the Zen mind, your journey to inner peace. As we wrap up this exploration of Stoicism and its powerful lessons for maintaining calm in any situation, I want to take a moment to thank you for being here. If you've made it this far, it means you're genuinely interested in personal growth, emotional resilience, and finding peace in a chaotic world, values that lie at the heart of the Zen mind. This channel is dedicated to providing you with practical wisdom, actionable insights, and timeless philosophies that can transform the way you live. Whether you're seeking guidance on mindfulness, self-awareness, or navigating life's challenges with grace, our goal is to be your trusted companion on this journey. If you found value in today's discussion on Stoicism, I encourage you to engage with this content in a meaningful way. A simple like on this podcast helps us reach more people who are searching for clarity and inner strength. More importantly, sharing this video with friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from these insights spreads the message of calm and resilience further. You never know who might be struggling with stress, uncertainty, or emotional turmoil. This podcast might be exactly what they need to find balance and peace. But your support doesn't stop there. Subscribing to the Zen Mind podcast ensures that you never miss a podcast filled with transformative ideas and practical strategies for living a more centered and fulfilling life. As a subscriber, you'll be the first to receive new content, including deep dives into other philosophies, guided meditations, and real-world applications of ancient wisdom. By hitting that subscribe button and enabling notifications, you'll stay connected to a growing community of like-minded individuals who are all striving to cultivate inner peace and resilience together. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. The comments section is a space for meaningful conversations, where you can share your thoughts, ask questions, or even suggest topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. Your feedback is invaluable. It helps us tailor our content to your needs and create videos that truly resonate with your experiences. Whether you've already applied some of the Stoic principles in your life or you're just beginning your journey, I invite you to join the conversation and let us know how these teachings are impacting you. Ultimately, the Zen Mind podcast exists because of people like you, curious, thoughtful individuals who are committed to personal growth and inner peace. Your support fuels this channel, allowing us to continue bringing you high-quality content that inspires, educates, and empowers. So, thank you for being part of this journey. Let's continue exploring the wisdom of the ages together, one step at a time. Stay tuned for more life-changing ideas, and remember, true peace begins within. Embracing the power of Stoicism, your path forward. As we come to the end of this journey through the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, take a moment to reflect on the lessons we've explored today. These 10 principles are not just abstract ideas, they are practical tools that can empower you to navigate life's challenges with grace, resilience, and an unshakable sense of calm. Whether you're facing personal setbacks, professional pressures, or simply the daily stresses of modern life, Stoicism offers a roadmap to inner peace. It teaches us to focus on what we can control, to master our perceptions, and to embrace life's impermanence with acceptance rather than resistance. Remember, the essence of Stoicism lies in its ability to transform your mindset. It's not about suppressing emotions or pretending that difficulties don't exist. It's about cultivating the strength to respond to life's uncertainties with clarity and purpose. By practicing the principles we've discussed, you'll begin to notice a shift in the way you handle adversity. You'll find yourself reacting less impulsively, thinking more deliberately, and approaching challenges with a newfound sense of confidence. The chaos of the world may not disappear, but your ability to remain centered within it will grow stronger with each passing day. As you walk away from this podcast, I encourage you to take one of these Stoic lessons and put it into practice immediately. Whether it's reflecting on what you can control, reframing your perception of a difficult situation, or simply pausing to appreciate the present moment, small actions can lead to profound transformations. The beauty of Stoicism is that it doesn't require grand gestures or drastic life changes. It's about consistent, mindful choices that gradually build a foundation of resilience and peace. If you found value in this exploration of Stoic wisdom, I hope you'll continue to engage with the Zen Mind podcast. There is so much more to discover: countless philosophies, practical strategies, and life-changing insights waiting to guide you on your path. Whether you're just beginning your journey toward inner peace or deepening an existing practice, this channel is here to support you every step of the way. So, take a deep breath, remind yourself of the power you hold within, and know that no matter what life throws your way, you have the strength to face it with calm and clarity. This is Muhammad Asif, and you're watching the Zen Mind podcast. Stay grounded, stay resilient, and keep exploring the wisdom that will help you thrive in every moment.